Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my brand new first ever MCM big tote bag that I just bought on Black Friday. It's not my first MCM bag, but it's my first tote. This is actually the biggest purse I've ever owned, like kind of high-end purse. So I'm really happy that I got this. And I don't know if I got this got a deal on it. It was, let me see. Let me check this phone. It was €625. And I think that's like the normal price of these bags on a regular, but it came with a wallet for free. Like, I got a free wallet, but I'll get to the purse first. So here's my new purse. It's a Toni, let me see. It's a Toni Shopper in Xoxo's powder pink medium. It's so cute. I love this purse so much. So the site says that my purse is crafted in signature Xoxo's coated canvas with the Napa leather trim. Happy about that. And what really got me is the inside. I love the way it looks on the inside. It's so nice. It only has like one really true pocket with a zipper right here, but that's okay with me. But yeah, this is really deep, and I was looking for like a huge purse. And this purse is, I mean, I can only imagine like if it was a large, because this medium is like huge. Yeah, so I really love this bag. It's not heavy at all. It's lightweight. I can't wait to really test it out. And let's see. This is the wallet that I got for free that came with it. And the wallet came in its own little duster bag. Now, I'm not necessarily like crazy about the color, but I mean, it is like MCM. Usually, like, even this little thing, if you went to like outlet or ordered it online on a normal day, it would be like $100 or €100. But yeah, so again, I am in love with this bag I just bought here. I know that they're still having a 40% off sale in Germany and on the German site that I'm on. But I mean, I'm not in the States right now, but they may be having the 40% off sale in the States too right now. So I would definitely hop up on that, because they had a lot of different bags and coats and backpacks and scarves and all kind of accessories that are 40% off. So yeah, definitely check it out.